Ugh. Whoa, weren't you dead for like a few months? I don't know what happened, but I think I got revived. Here's the thing. You missed out on puberty. You also missed out on your birthday, and it's been 7th grade. Dang, so it really has been half a year. That's a long time. Do you maybe want to make a video? Since it's December, I guess I'll just make some hot cocoa video. As a part of the topping, you want chocolate syrup. I prefer this because I like the brand. Then you want some cocoa powder. I honestly prefer Hershey's cocoa because it's sweet and yeah. Now we have the chocolate chips. The chocolate is essential because it's not called hot chocolate for nothing. And then we have the Cool Whip, which, see, I was gonna have whipped cream, but I didn't have the spray, so I'm using this instead. Very good substitute. Turns out I only had half a mug of milk, so I'm using half of the ingredient. Now first you want to start off with about half a mug of milk, which you're going to fill it in. And it's kind of ridiculous how I didn't even plan to buy milk. I just had to use my old one. Since I have half the amount of milk I intended to use, for cocoa powder you're only going to use about 1 teaspoon should be fine. And supposedly if you're actually using a full mug of milk, you're going to need 2 teaspoons because I accidentally have half a mug of milk. I'm still mad about that. And then after that, you want 4 chocolate chips put into the milk. Now, you would have 8 if you actually had a full mug of milk. After that, you want to put it into the microwave and microwave it for 1 minute. Thanks to my microwave for sticking with me for 1 year and my channel being dead for quite a few months. And after that, the cocoa and the chocolate chips should be melted. After taking it out, stir until all the chunks are gone. To make the Oreo, you want to get rid of the top part of the Oreo cookie, and you only want to leave one part of the Oreo cookie. Yes, you can eat it. And then, carefully, you are going to use a knife to try and scrape off the cream off of the cookie. If you manage to do it, yes, you can also eat that too. Now, this is the point where I think I've made a dumb decision, and I may have been near to cutting myself, but oh well. Poor me. And then you want to put it in a bag, and here's a mistake. Don't put it on a table. Put it under a flat surface, and then you put the flat surface onto the table. Watch, alright? So then you should take a hammer or a meat pounder or really anything. And now you should shred it into Oreo dust. Now, hold the bag like you're emptying it and add some onto your hot chocolate. This is how you make Oreo hot chocolate. And then after that, you're gonna take 2 spoons, big spoons of whipped cream. And here's a really annoying part. It took so long to get the cream off of my spoon that I had to speed this up by 4 times. So it's gonna be really annoying. Next, you're going to take your chocolate cream and you're just going to spread it all over, and then you'll have a really nice looking design. This looks crappy though. And then you want to take some of the Oreo and sprinkle some onto your hot cocoa to finally top it off. And once you are finished, it should be ready to drink. I may have added a little bit too much Oreo. Time to taste test. I can taste the chocolate flavor in that. Really good. Oh, and if you're wondering why I'm making fake slurping noises, I'm not going to include the actual audio in it because it sounds very crappy, especially since I have a clock on top of my desk. Anyways, it was actually really good. Subscribe, like the video, and I hope you enjoyed.